Look at this cute little frog. Hey, little guy. Ah, too cute. Whoa, take it easy, little guy. Hey, I'm not trying to hurt you. Why are you so mad? Frog screams are more common than you might think, and different species scream in different ways. Some meow like a cat.
I hear you, yes. Wow, the vocal cords on that frog are incredible.
Others might sound like a baby. And some frogs sound like they should be on stage at the Paris Opera. Just kidding. So, what's really happening here? Have you noticed one thing that happens every time these frogs scream? Yeah, it always happens when they're being touched. Animal experts think that whenever you hear a frog scream like this, it's because they're trying to scare you away. Frogs have all kinds of predators that they need to be worried about. Birds, snakes, fish, and anything else that would find them to be a tasty snack. Frogs have virtually no chance of fighting off these predators, so they need to be a little bit more clever. Luckily, frogs have several different defense mechanisms. They might puff up their bodies so that predators think they'd be hard to swallow. They can camouflage themselves and play dead to avoid being caught. And when all else fails, they'll scream when they're touched by a predator in an effort to scare them off. Unfortunately, this defense mechanism can backfire on the frogs. Frogs spend their lives generally avoiding any sort of trouble. When they perform this loud scream, it alerts all their other predators to the frog's location. The frog is no longer camouflaged. In fact, it may be the most noticeable creature in the entire jungle. And, just like the other animals, humans will spot them much faster as well. As humans, we may think these squeaks are cute and even funny, but these amphibians aren't performing for us. These frogs are actually scared and stressed. If you ever come across a screaming frog, the best idea is just to walk away and leave it alone. The reason the frog is screaming is probably because it's afraid of you. So, as tempting as it might be, don't touch frogs to have them make funny noises. You're only stressing them out. And the more we stress these frogs out, the more predators will spot them. And then these crazy creatures might not be around anymore.